Now today we are showing the CI engine. Okay. Previously video we have seen that the SI engine, now it's CI engine. CI engine is compressed ignition engine. The compressor engine, there is the engine, no spark plug are occurred. This one is injector are located here. So that type of engine we have shown. This is also the Ambassador 1.8 diesel engine. Okay. Now the upper part, so they are the same process. Engine basically three part. First part is head, middle part is block, and the lowermost part is sum. Okay. Now in the first part there are some component. The valve mechanism are there. Engine head cover. This is the engine head cover. That the valve mechanism inside the composition are valve mechanism. So, fuel injector are there, and also some glow plug device also are fitted. Basically is the IDI engine, that is indirect ignition engine. So indirect ignition engine is a pre-combustion chamber are there, so that's why some glow plug fitted. So this is a IDI engine. Now the engine head basically made by cast iron, or presently you may also made by aluminum alloy also. Okay. Now come to the second part, that is the engine block. It is also made by grey cast iron or cast iron, and is made by for the casting process. Now if you see my here you can see the inside the component are cylinder, pistons, connecting rod, and also crankshaft. Now the piston and crankshaft are connected by connecting rod. Okay. Now the pistons are inside to the cylinder board. Okay. The cylinder and what is the function of the piston? It takes energy, takes the energy, and it goes upward to downward motion, and this is called reciprocating motion. And what is the function of the crankshaft? It is the reciprocating motion is converted to the rotary motion also. Also there are some outside equipment are there which is attached by the block. Some fuel pump, oil filters, water pump, and manifolds. Okay. Some manifolds also, that is inlet manifold and exhaust manifold. This is inlet manifold and this one is the exhaust manifold. All are attached to the outside body of the engine. Okay. Some alternator also, you can see the alternator and starter. Okay. Okay. Now come to the point. This is the engine block. This is called crankcase. Okay, where inside the crankshaft are placed. This one is a crankcase. Okay, and it is, and outside it is a flywheel housing. It is also attached to the crankcase. Flywheel housing, there inside flywheel ring and flywheel. Okay. Now flywheel, what is the material are used? Flywheel are made by also cast iron. Okay, and this is also casting process. Then lowermost part is called sum. It is a thick sheet metal. Okay, and this pump is this sum is what is the function of the sum? And there is a stainer which is connect to the, there is inside stainer is a primary filter which is connect to the pump. When the engine is running, the first primary filter are doing, so oil stainer are working first. Okay. Now what is the function of the sump? As the same process, it is the same as oil reservoir.